हरि करता।
Now let's look into the backward fill imputation. Backward fill imputation, also known as backward fill or carry backward imputation. So which involves filling missing values with the next non-missing value that comes after the missing value in the time series. I hope you got the point. It's slightly opposite to the forward fill imputation. If you want me to put it in simple words, missing values are replaced with the value from the immediately succeeding time point. So this method assumes that the value from the next time point is a good approximation for the missing value. Now let's look into this backward fill imputation method step by step. So similar, step 1, your immediate priority is to identify the missing values in the time series data. So that's your first step. You have to identify missing values in the time series data. Then you have to keep on doing that. Step 2, start from the end of the time series and scan backward in time. That's the difference between your forward fill imputation and backward fill imputation. There you scan forward in time from Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July. Here start from the end, start from 5 and scan backward in time. Start from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then step 3, when encountering a missing value, fill it with the value from immediately succeeding point. Then continue scanning backward in time and repeating step 3 until the beginning of the time series is reached, and there ends the imputation using backward fill. And here you can see 27 was imputed here, and again the 27 was imputed here, and then 28, 25, and then overall backward fill imputation was done. So now let's take one example for the backward fill imputation also. So we'll take the same data, so nothing much to be changed. DF, this is what is our, so let me take this as a DFB backward fill imputation. And here you can see that there is this is a time series data, and this time series data consists of one is this missing value, and column B 2 missing values, and column C 2 missing values. So how will we handle it? Using backward fill. So let's do the backward fill for missing values. So DFB fill NA, and 2 arguments it will take. Method, that's backward fill, and second argument, do it in place, and DFB, and here is your fill. So let's cross check both. We have started from here 5, then gone for the 4, then we have found a missing value, then immediately replaced this missing value with 4. That's where the 4 came. And we have then we moved to the 2.0, 1.0, all are non-missing values, so there is nothing much to be done there. Then we have started at the B again from the again from this side, and then immediately you found a missing value, then this missing value should be replaced with this 5.0, and here is the value. Then again same happened here, 2.0, here is the value. And same here, the first one, this is the first. We can't do anything with this method. It's none only. But when it comes to here, this one has been replaced with D. So this is what is called a backward fill imputation.